I'm Meltem. I'll show you the benefits of planning with buffers using Allex. If you ever missed a flight, you know how much it sucks. This can easily happen when you don't use buffers to plan. Same theory applies to projects. When you've planned projects using risk buffers in the traditional sense, it's easily misinterpreted. Employees hide them in an attempt to adjust KPIs they will be measured to their advantage. Hence, why the current solutions on the market fit the bill, as they're not able to show separate buffers. One suspicious fact always seems to pop up. Hidden buffers are generally used up, yet there is no sufficient proof they were needed. With buffers hidden everywhere, you can hardly see the actual project status. With Allex, effort estimation and buffers can finally be displayed separately and managed efficiently. Buffers are extracted independently and used together. This means risks are assessed accurately without duplication, meaning projects can be planned without wasted time. When you work in an efficient manner like this, you don't just have more control and transparency, but you become more advantageous in your deliverables and shorten planned projects by up to 30%. I don't think you really need more convincing, right?